Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I just wanted to talk about whether the combos that are being offered for the 2023 products from Tall Elephant are worth it or not. Not exactly worth it, but whether you should go for it and just sort of discuss about that and give you my thoughts and let me know what you think about it. I got a few questions on this, so I thought, okay, instead of answering to each one of you, let's just do a video. So here we go. We have three combos. If you're buying the entire little black box, currently it is priced at 3699. But there are a few combos which are available for 1999, 2499, and 2299. So let's go to this one, the 1999 first, and have a look at what we are getting for this price. So here we have a little mini journal, and then this one is, I guess, their like self-care journal, or I don't know what really what do they call it. Let's see if we have any details over here. They call it just the journal, the 2023 journal, and then you get the calendar too. So the journal, I went through all of these things in detail in my in the Tall Elephant launch walkthrough video, so you can check it out. I'm not going to go through in detail about the spreads. I'm going to talk about the pricing of these combos and whether you should get it or not. So this is the journal. For me, what I feel about this journal, I definitely feel overwhelmed. But if you are someone who likes all these trackers, who love to keep a note of all these various aspects of your life, I think it is great because they have so much packed into this one little journal. And then you are also getting where did that go, you're also getting your weekly spreads, so you don't really need a separate planner. Either you can choose to journal in this, or you can choose to plan and your to-do list, your appointments, and all of that. So that is great. Just one thing though that I noticed is that it is a Sunday start. It absolutely doesn't work for me at all, but if you don't mind it, then definitely go for that. And there's this like weekly just a weekly box too. So the design as well, it's a little bit overwhelming, but again, like if you really like it, then I think this journal is really great. I liked it, when I look at it, I really like it. It's just not for me. That's the reason I'm not getting it. But if you like the products that are in the combo, then I think the price is quite good, because I know they're calling it the journal, and also in the little black box, you're getting a combination of a journal and a planner, but you can easily like flip this to use it as a planner. You don't really need to use it as a journal. And then you also get this mini travel journal. So that is just a nice addition if, for 2023, you're focusing on traveling, or there are some trips that you have planned which are coming up. And then this is a desk calendar. It's got very similar aesthetics to the journal itself, so it's going to match pretty well. I just like doing that. I like matching things up. I really love having my Inkbucket calendar on my desk, even though I have another calendar which I like more than that. It's just those little things that bring me little happiness in life. So you can watch that video to see what spreads are included and going through the features. So definitely for this, I think 1999 is a pretty good price. I'm more interested in this particular combo, the Enthusiast combo for 2023. Because we are getting a sticker book. I can do without the travel journal. I've tried keeping travel journals in the past, and what I noticed is I would prefer to use just a plain notebook and add few pictures, journal about the whole experience of the trip, add stickers, decorated however I want. So if I were to choose, then I'm definitely more interested in this one because I love stickers. And why not? But the price difference is a little bit huge though. So it is not even that they're adding a sticker book along with this combo. It's that they're taking off the travel journal and then they're adding this sticker book, and the price is going 500 rupees more than the previous combo. So I would pick this if I really like the sticker book. What I did notice with the 2022 sticker book, I got their sticker book as well as the Universe Speak to You cards. I haven't used it at all because the way that it is, the layout of the stickers and the order in which it is there, it's just so difficult for me to remember like which stickers and which page. So because I have a lot of sticker books and sticker sheets and all that, I have a system wherein I can remember, okay, this particular sticker is in that book, and it's easier for me to, while I'm planning to get a hold of the stickers that I want. With the Tall Elephant one and also the Alicia Souza one, I just I just can't figure it out at all. I've tried it a lot. There is no way, no matter how themed they are, I just can't remember like which sticker is in which book and which page. So that's just something that I wanted to share. But if you have used the sticker book in the past and it was it was fine for you, then I think it is quite good. You're also getting the greeting cards. Okay, that is great. Okay, so the price is increased because you're getting the sticker book as well as the greeting cards with this. And this is sort of a combination of different events. And the calendar is the same. So if you do not want the sticker book, I think this combo is better. It is a 1999 is quite a good price for this. 2499, it's definitely a little bit more in terms of what you would pay for a planner, but this is a planner and calendar combo, so that might be good. If you have purchased from other brands, calendars or sticker books, and you just want this particular journal, I would suggest to wait because last year I did notice that they did a lot of combinations among the products that were launched, and I'm not sure if they ever sold the planners separately, but you might want to wait out if you already have the calendar, and if you already have, like, if you don't want any other products that are in here, you just want that particular journal, you might want to wait. But if you want to if you want to get this journal as soon as you can and you don't mind spending 1999, then definitely go for this combo. This I would give it a little more thought, mainly because of the price and also the experience I had with the sticker book in 2022. And then we have another combo. This is called the professional combo, which is priced at 2299. This does not come with the journal though, it just comes with the planner. And you have a notebook, planner, and calendar. So this is what the calendar looks like. It's a lot more minimal. So if you are like me and get overwhelmed with the journal design that they had there, then this is a good product. Again, this is a vertical layout. So for planning, what I noticed is where vertical layout just did not work for me. Just see what if you feel like this might work for you. And previously when I have chosen vertical planners, I felt like, oh, you know what, instead of just planning horizontally, I'm just going to write things down and it's going to be perfectly fine. It just did not work for me, like, for whatever reason. And also where is Sunday? Oh, the weekend is clubbed. Okay, that's something else to keep in mind too. Saturday and Sunday, it's not even like they've divided the pages into like the section into half and kept Saturday at the top and Sunday at the bottom. It's just they've clubbed the entire weekend into one column. Just have a look at that too. I think if you're going to use it as your work planner and you don't work on weekends, then it's fine. Otherwise, it's going to be a little bit like you have to use a little bit of creativity to work around the stuff. So yeah, and it's just a lot of lines for me. I prefer it to be plain because I want to be able to write how much ever I want and whatever size I want to. Yeah, so this is pretty good as well, but provided you really like the planner, I think the price is fine. You're getting the calendar along with it. I really wish that And also you're getting this letter pad. I really wish that they had sold these two books separately, and I feel a lot of people would have picked that up versus the combo, the calendar combo. At least I'm thinking that way right now, because I've already placed my order. I currently have, I think, 2 desk calendars already coming in, so I just don't want to add more to that inventory, and I would have preferred them to have the planners separately. Like you see here in this a la carte menu, I don't really know when they went to this last year, but they did end up listing their products separately, and you could have bought it. Or there were like nice accessories combos too for 2022, and also the planner and the calendar combo was there without the additional products. So I don't know why they did not do that this year. The combos are a little bit different in terms of what products they've chosen to add in there. So these are my thoughts. If you really like the planner or the journal, then go for the combo. I think it is quite a good price, especially this one, 1,999. You're getting calendar, the journal, which you can use it as a planner too, as well as the travel notebook. And this one, if you're specifically looking for this planner, I think 300 rupees more than that would be it would be fine. But if you still feel like you're not able to justify the price, sometimes it happens. There are a few brands that I'm thinking about. I really like their planner. Their products look quite cool, but I'm not able to justify the price for that. I do feel like I might find something better, but sometimes the brands itself know why they are charging a little higher than usually what's available. It's totally up to them. They can do whatever they want with it. It would have been nice to let us know why that is, because with the Ruhani Rang planner, I really liked it. Definitely it's a little bit more pricier than the other ones that are available, but they've done a really good job at explaining why that is. The products are handmade, the paper itself is handmade. That is so cool. So that is yeah, even if the price is more, I'd like to know why that is. So yeah, these are my thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Are you planning to get this one of these combos, or what do you think about the price, even if you didn't? And also, those of you who picked the little black box, do you feel like you should have waited for this combo, or are you happy with your purchase? Let me know in the comments below. I've also gotten a request to walk through the Aham affirmations kit, so I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow, I guess. If I can, I'll do it today, or tomorrow it's gonna come up. So yeah, guys, these are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about it. I'd be really interested to know. And I have uploaded another video regarding the June Shop 2023 planner, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.